Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get peaches in Township. Peaches in Township are obtained through the port, which unlocks once you reach level 29. After restoring the port, you'll gain access to a different aisle, and the fruit aisle is where peaches can be found. Simply send a ship there by paying 70 coins, and it will return with a mix of fruits such as peaches, plums, and watermelons. While the exact goods can vary, peaches almost always appear, usually in quantities of around 3. These fruits are then used in productions for items like yogurt, marmalade, and other recipes. To maximize your harvest, make sure your ships are constantly sailing and upgrade your port capacity so you can send multiple ships at once. That way, you'll have a steady supply of peaches on hand, ready for your factories and future orders. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.